Purna, I think हमारे politicians को एहसास होगा कि climate change is real and we need to do more to deal with climate change.
You have always been like in this issue in metal. You have been always vocal and coming out with
I think somebody like Purna, who is the youngest mountaineer girl to summit Everest, would be able to tell us how much of a change she's seen from the time she started training till now. I know a lot of climbers who have seen a significant change in glacial points, melting glaciers, and I think the more of us speak up about climate change, and the more people in India realize how important an issue it is and how much more we need to do as citizens, as government, the better.
And what do you have to say about the literature who's playing the lead role in this film?
I'm really excited about watching Purna. I think it's हमारे देश की बेटी है जिसने इतना बड़ा मुकाम हासिल किया है. It's unfathomable, it's unimaginable, and it's just so wonderful that Rahul Bose has chosen to tell Purna's story. जो छोटी लड़की जो पूर्णा का कैरेक्टर निभा रही है फिल्म में, वो भी बहुत प्यारी है. I just met her. I'm really looking forward to her performance, but more than anything else, I'm here to support and celebrate the fact that we have made Purna's story, we are telling her story, and I hope कि many more Indians and many more people across the world get to celebrate Purna's achievement through this film.
Your big project is coming, Sanjay Dutt ki biopic. What do you have to say about it?
I'm not allowed to talk about the Sanjay Dutt biopic right now. The only thing I can say is that I'm really proud and very happy to be a part of this amazing film.
हम women empowerment की बात करते हैं, कर्नाटक सरकार चाहते हैं women's को रात को काम करने से बंद कर दिया गया है, इस तरह का recommendation. आप कैसे देखते हैं women's को काम करना चाहिए रात में?
If we truly want to empower our women, अगर हमको हकीकत में अपने जो हमारे देश की औरतें हैं उनकी लाइफ में ट्रू एम्पावरमेंट ले आना है, तो ये जो पाबंदियां हैं इन्हें हमें रोकना होगा, इन्हें बंद करना होगा. क्योंकि अगर हम पाबंदियां बनाएंगे, बंदिशें बनाएंगे, तो हमारी औरतें उनसे कैसे उठकर आगे बढ़ेंगी. थैंक यू.
left down. आदि यहाँ पे आदि. Left side down आदि यहाँ पे आदि. Left side down. आदि का left side. आदि का left side down. राहुल सर लेफ्ट का लेफ्ट. सर एक फोटो Yeah, straight yeah. Straight yeah. Yeah, straight yeah up. Adi straight up. Adi sir सामने आते. Adi straight up. Sir right में. Adi straight up.
Sir extreme right. यहाँ पे आदि सामने.
Center up. Center up. सब दो. पूर्ण.
Sir यहाँ पे.
Yeah, start yeah, straight up. Adi straight up. Adi. Yeah, straight up.
Sir right. Adi sir सामने.
Adi sir first floor.
Sir left में.
I shall join in.
Yes, girls. Okay, you come.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, straight up. All of you straight up.
Thank you so much.
हाँ? Best of luck. Okay, see you. Thank you. Bye. अरे बोलो ना, पूछो ना. कोई question ही नहीं है. How was the movie?
How excited you are for today's screening?
No, I'm really excited for Rahul, yeah, because I know he's worked so hard on the film, and it was a labor of love, and it's such an inspiring story and a story that should go to people and more people should watch it. So I'm really excited for him and for Poorna and for the young girl that's also acted, because you can see that they've put in a lot of hard work for this film. And I think they shot it in really quick time. They shot it in 38 days in those conditions. I was telling him we shot Okay Janu in 39 days. He said we shot this in 38. So like he's really put in a lot of hard work, and I'm so happy to hear that it's getting great reviews and that everyone's loving it. I can't wait to watch it, so I'll go and watch it soon. So yeah, I just came to wish them best of luck.
What do you want to say about Rahul? He has made such a beautiful story. Like he has made such a beautiful. Alras directed in.
No, I think it's great. Yeah, it seems like a very inspirational story. It's something that is looks like it's really entertaining as well. I love the trailer. I love whatever I've seen of it. So yeah, just want to come and wish him luck.
So your upcoming project you're moving on.
Well, so far I'm still kind of in meeting people and seen a couple of scripts. So there's nothing I've signed as yet. But soon when I have some news, I'll tell you guys. Thank you. I have no idea what Karnataka government has said. What has they said?
They said that women should not work at night.
They must have said it for some safety reasons. I don't know. Okay, I don't know the details of this. But of course, we want everyone to be safe. Women should work. Women should be safe. But if they go somewhere, they should be safe also. So everything should be taken into account. I don't know the details, so I can't comment on this. Thank you.
It's a fantastic film. I think it's a very inspiring film, and it is a film that deserves to be told. Not many people, unfortunately, knew about Poorna before this film's out, so it's something to be very proud of. It's something very relevant today, and it's just incredible that it's pure woman power. So all the best to Poorna, to Rahul Bose for a great job, and yeah. Fakir of Paris? Fakir of Venice.
Venice.
Yeah.
And Anu Kapoor and it's related to you, your life, whatever you have faced in Venice.
So we'll talk about that when we see it. Now is Poorna time. Thank you.
जो चीज़ हमें लगता है हम नहीं कर सकते, उसको करने की प्रेरणा मिलती है। मैं कहूँगा कि ये एक बहुत सारी फिल्में आती है जाती है, बहुत सारी फिल्में इंस्पिरेशनल होती है। ये उन फिल्मों में से है जो आपको हमेशा हिम्मत देंगी वो करने की। दैट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल।
We want to thank you for the innumerable anthems which you are giving for inspiring us in different films.
ये तो मेरा एंथम संस्कार है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मुझे लगता है कि हम बहुत खुशनसीब है कि हमें हमेशा ऐसी फिल्मों पे काम करने का मौका मिलता है जिसमें वो इंस्पिरेशनल क्वालिटी होती है, जिसमें वो एक कुछ कर दिखाने की एक क्षमता होती है। और जैसे कि चक दी इंडिया है, जैसे कि आशा इकबाल है, जैसे कि डोर है, ऐसी बहुत सारी फिल्मों पे हमने काम किया है। और तो ये हमारी खुशकिस्मती रही क्योंकि म्यूज़िक फिल्म के ज़रिए हमने ऐसे गानों को कंपोज किया है जो लोगों तक पहुँचे हैं और लोगों के दिलों और रूह तक उनको टच किया है। तो ये हमारी खुशनसीबी।
आप जाए उससे पहले मुझे हम लोग कई एक्ट्रेसेस ने कहा कि इस पर लोग कहते थे कि लाइक वी वांट टू वर्क विद मिस्टर शाहरुख खान से बात है। नाउ दे से दे वांट टू वर्क सलीम।
ये सुमित, ये आपकी एक कल्पना है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। थैंक यू। एक्टिंग वेल नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि म्यूज़िक एक, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ म्यूज़िक एक समंदर है जिसमें मुझे डूबना चाहता हूँ, सिर्फ तैरना नहीं, डूबना चाहता हूँ। तो वो अगर उसमें मैं अगर मुझे सक्सेस मिल गया तो एक्टिंग तो चलते रहे। जी हाँ, देखिए सरकार जो भी कुछ करती है वो सोच समझ के करती है। हम नागरिक जो है वो अपनी आवाज़ उठा सकते हैं और कुछ कह सकते हैं, बट शायद इसकी क्या एग्जैक्टली क्या
your mind to it. So that's really quite a lovely thought to leave with. She's absolutely heartwarming. She does such a, their performances are very natural. They don't feel like they're acting at all. The film is set in a very realistic setting. The characters are all chosen from the correct milieu, so you feel like you're actually seeing what must have happened. So it's a very, very, very lovely performances by the kids especially, and very, very thoughtfully put together. So the film is subtle but very moving.
What do you have to say about Rahul Bohn's direction?
It's that, yeah, that's what I wanted to say. It's a film that's very lightly and skillfully handled. I mean, it doesn't feel overbearing. The emotions are also, you know, just right. It's not trying very hard to make you cry or laugh. It makes you feel what the characters must have naturally felt. तो उसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है.
Ma'am, any particular scene that will have touched your heart?
I don't want to spoil it for you, but it's really about the relationship between these two cousins, and उन दोनों की जो relationship है, उनका प्यार is very, very touches you a lot when you watch it. That's what anchors the film.
मैम फिल्म बहुत सारे women empowerment के बारे में बात करती है. हाल ही में नाटका गवर्नमेंट है, उन्होंने women's को रात को काम करने से बैन कर दिया गया है.
अच्छा,
कहते हैं
women को रात में बैन कर.
काम करने से. तो आप क्या सोचते हैं?
I don't know what, I haven't heard of this, but ये मुझे इसका हिस्ट्री पता नहीं है, क्यों ऐसे क्यों किया होगा. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है, क्योंकि औरतों का तो हक बनता है जहाँ जाना चाहें, जब काम करना चाहें, उनको करने की आज़ादी होनी चाहिए. तो मैं इस पे कमेंट नहीं कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं उन्होंने कहा क्या है, क्या लॉ है. लेकिन मेरा ये मानना है कि औरतों को इक्वल हक है जो करने